Hello dear little cute learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter. Today we have numbers up to 10,000, 1,000. So in this what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the numbers of up to 10,000, 1,000. We have learned numbers up to 999. Now we will learn numbers up to 10,000. So 10,000 is 1, 10, 100. If we take 10 hundreds, it will be converted into 1000. We read 1000 as 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number we have. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 99 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Cutting in thousands, one sphere representing 1000, it means this 1000. Two spheres are 2000. Three spheres representing 3000, or you can say circle as well. Three balls are representing 4000. Five balls 5000. Six balls 6000. Seven 7000. Eight balls 8000. Nine balls 9000, and 10 balls are 10,000. Number 1000, we can obtain numbers 1000 by adding 1 to triple line. We write this as 1000 is equal to triple line plus 1. Okay, this can be written as 1000 is equal to 999 plus 1, which means 900, 9 tens, 9 ones plus 1, and it will be converted into, last you have 10 100 is equal to 1000. How? 900, 910, 110. So 910, 110 is 1010. Okay. Now 10 tens and 900. So 10 tens means 100. 900 and 100 is 1000. So 1000 is equal to 1000. We read 1000 as 1000. Similarly, number 1436 stands as 146 is equal to 1000 plus 430 plus 6. So in same manner you can write it. For similarly, 5342 standards 5340 plus 2. Okay, so now this is the section where you have to examine yourself how much you learned now. So you have to solve these questions your own, students. Next, thousands on abacus, forming numbers on the abacus. So in this we have a new more line which we have to representing with the thousands. So in this what we are doing, we have 4 lines right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for ones, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousand. Okay. So if we have one ball in thousand section, it means 1000. If we have two balls, it means 2. If we have 4, it means 4000. So now look at the baskets given below. So how many thousands are there? 2700, 4 tens, and 3 tens, 3 ones. So it means 2743 is the end answer we have. Now this 2700, 4 tens, and 3 ones is equal to this number. Write the numerals for 4205 ones. So 4200, 0 tens and 5 ones is equal to 4205. Now we have exercise. So are you excited? Let's get started. Read the baskets and write number and number names. So we have to write the number names. So we have 1698. So for 1000 we have to place one ball here. Then for 600, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this 9 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how can we write it? 1698. Okay. So students, now you can do the rest two parts as I do similarly. Okay. Write the number name for each of the following. 9604. So 9,000. How many place value we have after 1003? 9604. Okay. So in this way we can represent it. 5409. So 5000 400. 5000 we write 1 2 3. Now we have to represent 400. So 409. So you can write for rest of the parts you have in this section as I do similarly. Write the number name for each of the following numerals. So for this, how can you write? 9. First 9, how many is 1 2 3? So 1000. In this now you have to learn the spelling of 1000 first, then you have to write it. After we have 9000 only 65. Okay students, so you can write for rest of the parts the number names. Okay, now fill in the blank boxes with the missing digits. So we have 2486 means 2400, 8 tens, 6 ones. Next 1900, 8 tens, 2 ones. Okay, so you can write the rest of the parts as I do. Complete the table. So we have 300,060, 3,765. So in this we have 60 and in this we have 65. So we have to repeat 3, 7. Now after 65 we have, if we skip the counting for 5, so we have to write 70. Then again same 3, 7. After 70 we have 70. 5. So in same manner you have to do it. Now in this we have 9,160 and in this we have 900, 260. So it means we skip 100. So 960 will same. After 2 we have 3. Then 9, after 3 we have 4, 60 will remain same. 9, 5 and 60. So in same manner you have to do this. Next we have place value. Place value of a digit in a numeral. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its position in the place value chart. Consider the numerals 9465. Arrange its digit in the place value chart as shown below. So these are the place value. We have 9,000. 400, 6 tens and 5 ones. From the place value chart, we have the place value 5 is 5 ones, the place value of 6 is 6 tens, 4 is 400 and 9 is 9,000. Now next we have face value. Face value of a digit in a numeral. The face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whichever place it may be. For this, in the numeral 8,624, the place value of 8 is 8. So place value means the number itself. Okay, so if I'm asking you what is the face value of 4 in this, so the face value 4 is the 4, but it means how the number it's looked. So 4 is looked like 4, 2 is look like 2, 6 is look like 6, 8 is look like 8. So in same way you have to tell it. The place value and face value of 0 is always 0 wherever it may be. Okay. Now find the place value of each of the digits in 9802. So 9800, 0 tens and 2 ones. So these are the place value of it. Now expanded form. Numbers in expanded form. A numeral written as the sum of the place. A numeral written as the sum of the place values of digits, it's called the expanded form. We already done it in our earlier classes, right? So consider the numeral 9432. Arrange the digit of 9432 in the place value chart as shown below. So you can do this. First you have to write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. After this, you just have to write your numbers. You can write from the right hand side and you can also write from the left hand side. It's totally up to you. Then you have to write ones, then three, your tens, then hundred and then thousand. This is very simple. After this, you have how many thousand? 9,000. How many hundred? 400. How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. So you can write in that way. This is your expanded form. Numerals in short form. So when we have the expanded form, we can compact it in a shorter form. How? First we write 1000. So we write only 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1000. Then 300. So we write 3 and left 2 places for it. Then 40. So फिर 4. Then 6. So there. So 1346 is your answer. Now successive and predecessor. Successive and predecessor of a number the number that comes just after a particular number, it's called its successor. Clearly, the successor of a number is one more than the given number. Next, the number that comes just before a particular number, it's called its predecessor. Clearly, the predecessor of a number is less than the given number. It means the number before a particular number, it's called its predecessor, and the number just after a particular number, it's called its successor. Zero has no predecessor. So now we have our next exercise. So let's start this. Write the place value of the encircled digit. One has been done for you. So what is the place value is 800. Now in this we have only 2. The next 0. So for 0 we have the place value 0 only. Now in this D part, we have 4 at the place of 1000. So the place value of 4 is 4000. So the rest parts you have to do as I do similarly. Now write the place value of the encircled digit. One has been done for you. So in this we have the place value of 5 is this. Now for 0 we have the 0 place value. For 1 is 110. So we have to write here 10. In this we have the place value at the place of place value. Okay, so we have to write here 4000. So you have to do the rest of the questions in a similar way. Write the place value of encircled digit. So what is the place value of 100? 4 is ones. So in same way you have to do for the rest two questions. Write each of the following in expanded form. So this is our question 5962. So first we have to write 5000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 2. Next we have 3813. So 3810 and 3. So you can expand for rest of the questions you have. Write each of the following in a short form. So 1253 is the short form. Next 9. So first write 9. Next we have 6. So then write 6. Then we have tens. This. Okay. Next 4080 plus 2. So it means 4080. 2. Okay, students, write the same successor for each of the following. So the number which comes after 299 is 300. After 5382 is 5383. You just have to write the next number of it. So we have 7. So write 3, 5 as it is, and what comes after 7? 8. Okay, so this is your successor. Now we have predecessor. The number before that particular number. So 825, 8, 2. What comes before 5? 4. 6, 3. What comes before 9? 8. So this is your answers. Counting in ones, write next 4 numerals. So we have to counting in ones. So 5632, 5633, 5634, 5635. Okay. Now counting in tens, write the next 4 numerals. So 2041. You can write the rest your own as I do similarly. Counting in hundreds, write the next 4 numerals. So in hundreds, so it means 3223. So you have to write it. Now in thousands, so 6060, 7060. So completed, students. Now know your skill. So this time to identify how much you learned now. So you have to do this your own. Ordering of numbers, which is greater, 1946 or 388? 1946 has 4 digits while 388 has only 3 digits. It means which number having more digit, that number is bigger. Now in this we have total 4 digits. So how can we now identify which one is bigger? With the help of the first number. If this and 6 and 4, which one is greater? 6. It means this is 6235 is greater. Next we have, if we have same first number and same second number, so what we have to do? So we have to check the tens value. So among 0 and 6, which one is greater? We all know 6 is greater. It means 8,360 is greater than compared to 8,306. Again, this time you have to write how much you understood in this section. Now, ascending and descending order. Numbers in ascending order means the numbers from smaller to greater. It is also called the increasing order of numbers. Numbers in descending order means the numbers of greater or smaller. It is also called the decreasing order of numbers. It means when we are arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger, it means it is in the ascending order, and when we arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller, then it is called the descending order. So example number 1, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 6,390. So which one is smaller? We have to arrange now. So this one, I think this one is smaller, 1. Then this is the second we have, then we have third, and then we have 4. So this is the way we can arrange our numbers. First 3,164, then 4,823, 5,632, and 6,390. Now example 2, arrange the following numbers in descending order. So 9,034 is the big one, 1. Then we have 7,200, 281 second. Then we have 6,357, 3. And next we have 4, 5,681. So this is our arrangement in the descending order. Now forming of smallest and greatest number. So let us learn to form the greatest or the smallest number from the given digits. Let the given digits be 6, 9, 8 and 5. So what you have to do, if you want to make a greatest number, then you have to arrange this number in the descending order. So first we write 6, then 8, then 6 and then 5. So 9865 is the greatest number with the help of 6, 9 and 8, 5. Okay. And if you want to make a smallest number, then you have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. So 5, 6, 8, 9 is the ascending order of this number. Now we have our next exercise, exercise 2C, filling the blanks using. So in this, what we have to do, we have to compare the numbers. So which one is greater? 6 and 9. Obviously 6,950 is greater. 1 is same, 100 is same. Then 2 and 4. So which one is smaller? Obviously 1002 is smaller as compared to 1004. Now in this we have same numbers, 4644, 4644. It means these are equal to each other. So in same way you have to solve the rest parts you are left with. Now circle the greatest number. So what are the greatest number in this? So what is the greatest number? If you see, this is the greatest number you have. So you have to encircle the greatest number in the rest of the also. Circle the smallest number. So here we have the smallest number, 1062. Arrange in ascending order. So if you see, 4, 4, 4, 4 is same. Next 2, 2, 2, 2 is same. 7, 7, 7, 7 is same. Now you have to just identify on the basis of the ones place value. So which one is smaller? 1. So this one is 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. So you have to solve similarly the rest parts you have. Now arrange in descending order. So bigger to smaller. So which one is bigger? 1. This one is bigger, then second, then third and then fourth. So in this arrangement you can arrange it. Now the time is our worksheet time. So write the smallest 4-digit number without repeating a digit using the following 4 digit. So students, what you have to do in your worksheet now, till now what we learned in this chapter, you have to solve those questions in a combination way. So first we have to make a smallest 4-digit number. So we already learned how can we make it with the help of the arrangement in ascending order. To the smallest number we have 3, 6, 8 and 9. The greatest number we have in this section, 9, 6, 3, 4. Write the greatest 4-digit number. So the greatest 4-digit number we have 9, 9, 9 and 9. Using different digit numbers, if we have to use different digit numbers, so you can make it. So write the smallest 4-digit number using only 1-digit number. So students, now you already done this and you already understood about this in your above section. So you have to take a refer from that and then you have to solve this. Now 100 more than 999 is, so how much is will be your 100? So what you have to do, you just have to add into 100. So answer will be 9, 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So here where you see this number, you just have to select it. Okay, now circle the smallest number. Again we are doing it this above, greatest, then we have to arrange the place value. And after completing this worksheet, at the end you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab, where this your chapter is ends here. I hope so you understood this chapter very well. Now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye, have a good day.